Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share top 30 Python related MCQs questions and answers. Which of the following is the correct syntax to print Hello World in Python? What is the output of print type 3? Which of these is used to start a comment in Python? Which of the following data mutable? Which of these is the correct syntax for a function definition? What is the result of 3 * 1 * 3? Which method can remove whitespace from both ends of a string? Which keyword is used to exit a loop prematurely? What is the output of print 3? How do you start a new line in a multi-line comment? What is the output of print bool false? Which keyword is used to define a function in Python? What is the output of print hello plus world? Which of the following is a valid list in Python? Which operator is used to check for equality in Python? Which keyword is used to create a loop that repeats a block of code while a condition is true? Which of the following is used to create a dictionary in Python? How would you print Hello World in Python? Which function is used to find the length of a list in Python? What does the break statement do in a loop? Which of the following is not a Python data type? Which keyword is used to handle exceptions in Python? What is the output of print Python * 3? What does append do in a list? How do you start a for loop in Python? What does pop do in a list? Which of the following is used to create an empty set? Which operator is used for exponentiation in Python? Which method converts a string to lowercase in Python? Which symbol is used to access elements in a list? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Also, hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload new videos.